If you guys are anything like me, addicted to your truck, always looking for more mods, narcissistic, in need of more storage. And this next mod is going to help you feed that Tacoma addiction. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. Today's video wraps up the 10 days of consecutive video uploads. I hope you guys have enjoyed them. So to send this little series out with a bang, we are doing a giveaway. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video, sponsored by DesertDoesIt. So go ahead and check out their website, linked right below. Alright guys, today we are going to go over two new mods from DesertDoesIt. The first of which, if you remember, I did a video for these front seat risers. If you have not seen that, I'll link it above so you can check it out. But the first mod I'm doing today goes hand in hand with the seat risers. As if you see the two holes right here, same on the other side, I will be installing the DesertDoesIt mounting panel right here that pairs well with this. It's like a mini molly rack you can use to mount tons of useful gear, flashlights, fire extinguisher, you name it. And the second item from DesertDoesIt, going to the back of the seat, I am going to be installing a set of their rear seat spacers. Now these are the ones I had on for a while. I think they're like polyurethanes. I'll be swapping these out today with the DesertDoesIt aluminum seat spacers. Here are the items in question. Now I am going to be doing a giveaway with DesertDoesIt for these at the end of the video, but if you do not win the giveaway, which, let's be frank, most of you probably won't. It's a sad world we live in, I know. But if you don't win the giveaway, DesertDoesIt is offering a 10% discount to anyone using code Tacomaholic10 when they check out in the shopping cart on the website. Here is the mounting panel with all the hardware. Now when it ships, it does come in 3 pieces, one for either side, and then the centerpiece. But you can see you just install those easily with a few Phillips head screws on either side. For the front panel, this is aluminum, and you can get it either powder coated black like I have mine, or in the raw aluminum finish. And the rear seat spacers, which I know you guys have probably seen mods like this before. What I like about these is you can see when you purchase the set, you have a few different height options to go with, so you can adjust your rear seats anywhere from 1/4 inch just using these, or mix and match to up to 1.5 inches. And of course, a few different length bolts to securely get those fastened. And to install the front panel, of course, you do need the DesertDoesIt front seat brackets, but after that, all you need is a 6mm hex bit. Now, if you guys have never mounted anything to any of these molly panels or racks before, I highly recommend you mount it to the panel before you actually install the panel, because it can be difficult, depending on the application, to like get your hands behind it to actually secure all the straps. I'm just using some of these assorted style Velcro straps. You can see I got my mossy oak beefy flashlight here on the panel. Nice and secure. I'll get this panel installed, show you what it looks like. And there's what the panel looks like with the flashlight installed. Got the seat slid back so you can see, obviously, but you still have plenty of room on the back of the panel to mount stuff. Obviously, it's got to be smaller things so it doesn't get in the way of you getting the seat into position you want for driving around, but that is what it looks like. Let me throw my WeatherTech floor mats back in so you can see it does come up right to the bottom of the rack right here. Certainly takes advantage of an otherwise wasted space. There's a quick shot with the WeatherTech floorboards back in. It is tight under there, but you can see I was able to get it in securely with the floor fasteners on both sides. First mod done, now to the rear seat spacers. Here's a quick shot of one of the old polyurethane seat spacers I was using, and it's a little compressed. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera really. It's got a slight hourglass bend there in the middle, and a little damage here at the top from when I tightened the bolts down, I guess. So swapping these out today for the aluminum. These were the 1-inch ones, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and swap in with these. You just mix and match the sizes to get the desired height. There are the rear seat spacers, fully installed, looking pretty sharp if I do say so myself. All right, everybody, that will do it for this video, but don't worry, I didn't forget about the giveaway. So for the giveaway, DesertDoesIt is kind enough to be giving away 2 of all of the items I talked about today. So that's 2 sets of the rear seat spacers, 2 sets of the front seat spacers, and 2 sets of the front seat brackets. Today is Friday, January 10th, so we will do the giveaway now until Monday, January 13th. All you have to do to be entered to win is give this video a thumbs up and comment below something to grab my attention, saying which item you would prefer to grab. Now don't forget, if you grab that front under the seat molly panel, you do need the front seat brackets for that to work. Other than that, it's fair game. And don't forget also, in case you don't win the giveaway, still use Tacomaholic10 for 10% off your order. As always, thank you so much for supporting the video by watching this video, everyone. Help me grow the channel by sharing it with your friends on social media. Enjoy your upcoming weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.